Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn, and I want to wish everybody a happy St. Patrick's Day today. We are here at McGrath's here on Lakewood Ranch. Lakewood Ranch is actually the home of Mick Jagger, so who knows, we might see Mick Jagger today. But we're going to show you around Lakewood Ranch. It's the #1 community in America, and it's right here in the Gulf Coast, so hope you enjoy, stay tuned. So there's a lot going on here today. We got all kinds of it's kind of like an Irish fair. We've been to this McGrath's pub lots of times, and it's really, really good. So we're gonna try to eat there later. We got all kinds of folks dressed up, guys on stilts, we got leprechauns, we have a little bit of everything here. I believe it or not, I didn't wear green today. Kerry wore green. Let's see your green there, dear. She's not paying attention to me. Hey folks, happy St. Patrick's Day. Top of the morning to you. Hey, maybe we'll do this. This is like an outside stand here. Sure we can get some corned beef in there or something really interesting. Let's see, you got all kinds of sodas in here. Let's go take a look and see what we have here. I'm trying to look for a... Hey, how you doing? What do we have today?
We have beef and mash. We have the bangers and mash. We have chicken tenders if you like chicken tenders.
Wow, nice. What's in that one?
And this is going to be...
Cornbread?
It is not cornbread. I'm sorry. I'm forgetting the name of it.
Oh, Irish, shepherd's pie.
Shepherd's pie, yes.
There you go.
And you got your caramel throw on top. And there it is.
Wow, what's in this one? Oh my
Bangers
God.
and mash.
Look at that. You got to show me all of them now. Let's see this.
You got your potatoes,
Carrots.
carrots, you got your cabbage, and you got
Wow. Corned beef.
yes.
Amazing. Thank you very much. What's your name?
Jerome.
Jerome. Nice to meet you. Al. Thank you, sir. Wow, that's awesome. I think we're going to have to get some of that. Yeah, it's an amazing turnout today. We're going to go check out some of these booths. You never saw more green shirts. Well, maybe I did in Fifth Avenue during the St. Patrick's Day Parade in New York City, but just an amazing turnout from people all over. Great event. And we're gonna, be covering some more of this during the day. We got this guy over here. He's gonna be singing some songs. But yeah, it's very reminiscent of Celebration, Florida, where we used to live. This is a beautiful community. Like I was telling you, this is #1 community in America for the last 5 years. So it's really, really nice. Real nice people, very welcoming. And look at that, you got your green beer right there. Really nice. We got Sleepy Hollow Magic Dust. Look at this. All kinds of spices. You want to spice things up? You got Sleepy Hollow Magic Dust. Here's one called Stoned and Sterling. So you got all kinds of jewelry. Interesting fashions.
Even the one you made up about her mirror, you thought was true.
Very interesting. Kind of like a holistic type of healing spot. And we got some wine to go. Hey guys, how you doing? Happy St. Patrick's Day. You doing good so far? Awesome. Hope you have a really great day. All right, thank you very much. And look, we got some bouncy houses here for the kids. More boots. This is really cute. This is called Art on the Fly. So it's all kinds of art stuff. Wow. Really nice. And look at this, you got some axe throwing going on here. Got some nice, wow, sharp axes here. If you have an axe to grind somewhere, Chinese stars it looks like too. Let's see what's going on with the action here. That one didn't stick. I guess that's hard to stick them in there. Maybe they're not as sharp as they think. Oh, this is actually right from where we come from, the Axe and the Bull. This is on Bee Ridge Boulevard. Well, Bee Ridge Road, rather. There you go. That's right in Sarasota. And of course, we're doing a Kona ice thing today. Look at that. All kinds of Kona ices, and those are really good. Cool you off on an 82-degree day, which is what we have here on Lakewood Ranch today. So Carrie's excited. She's going to be eating a real Irish pub for St. Patrick's Day. We'll show you what we get to eat. Carrie's on her usual mission, headed in. They texted, the table was ready. It's a big turnout, as you know. Getting busier. So we show you the inside of the pub. It's really nice, it's really cool. Oh, really busy. We got people dressed up. Look at that, beautiful, very cool. Okay. Hey, it's 360 view. Thank you. Wow. How crowded it is. Have you ever seen so much green? So we got Carrie for St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day, dear.
Happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone out there. You better have your green on. We're all wearing green because we're Irish. So everybody enjoy and top of the morning and day to you. Bye.
So Carrie ended up getting the Irish burger, the smash burger, and I ended up doing the Reuben sandwich, which comes with the sauerkraut and 1,000-ounce dressing and comes with chips. So it's going to be real good. I'll show you what that looks like. Really, really nice place, really festive. One of the places, a little bit loud in here, but definitely one of the places you want to come to in the area and really celebrate St. Patrick's Day to everybody out there. Happy St. Patrick's Day from Kindred Souls in Brooklyn. I want to thank everybody. I just reached 1 million views on the channel a couple of days ago. So thank you everybody for your support, for the views, and we'll keep it going. Let's, I guess, go for 2 million now, right? So we'll keep it going.
3 million.
Do I have 4 million? I don't know. So we'll continue. There's Carrie's Irish Smash Burger.
Looks really good.
You gonna dig into that? And then we got a Reuben sandwich right here for me. The first bite. Looks a little messy. Really nice. And this looks attractive too. We got all kinds of sauerkraut on there. Really nice. And there's a miniature golf here called the Fishing Hole, and it's called the Fish Hole. and it's here right in the main part of town. Really, really nice place. We're gonna look at it from the outside, but really nice. They're doing really well today for St. Patrick's Day. It's right here in the middle part of town, as you can see. This is the main part of town with some restaurants and stuff. But yeah, really nice. So look what we got on the leaderboard for the fishing hole. 38. So that was a lot of fun. I didn't want to take the whole miniature golf game, but it worked out well. I got on the leaderboard, so haven't played in a while, but still got the old English on the, I guess I shouldn't say English on St. Patrick's Day, but still got the old English on the golf club, I guess. All right, everyone. So happy St. Patrick's Day. Thanks for joining me here at Lakewood Ranch for St. Patrick's Day 2023. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a line. Give me an idea for another video if you have. Once again, happy St. Patrick's Day. Please subscribe. I love you guys. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. And may the road rise to meet you, and may you be in heaven an hour before the devil knows you're dead. Thanks, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.